Hi there, I want to talk to you today about poor use of MES in your business. First question you might say is, what's MES? MES stands for Manufacturing Execution System. And it's basically an electronic way to track your run data, your setup, your downtime, and your scrap. So, what's the problem with that not being so perfect? What it leads to is inaccurate data. This gives you pretty much no loss intelligence, or certainly loss intelligence that you can't trust. And it also gives you no idea of how your processes or your people are performing in your business. So, what can we do to change this? So here at LDI, we can help this because we work with your teams to establish those basic conditions that you need for a reliable MES system. This builds a solid foundation, and this allows you to pull back all those benefits of accurate data, really good, solid, robust loss intelligence, and really real-time information on how your business processes are performing in operations. This will give you a really solid foundation to really innovate and take the opportunity to give you all the benefits of the reason you invested in an MES system in the first place. It gives you valuable data into all your other WCM projects which you're running, and really can improve your whole operational performance as a whole. So if you want to know more about this and you found this interesting, firstly I'd really encourage you to like and share so that other people can see this message. But why not get in touch and we can have a chat about how we can help you more.